In this video, I will show you how we can use leverage on Crypto.com exchange. First, let's talk about what is margin trading. So margin trading allows you to borrow funds from Crypto.com to trade more than your actual capital. For example, if you have $100, you can open a position worth $200 using 2x leverage. Now you must have some collateral such as cash, stablecoin or crypto in your account. There are some risks using this leverage or margin trading, because while gain are magnified, so are the losses. So if your trade goes against you, you can lose all of your cash. Now let me show you how you can enable margin trading in your Crypto.com exchange. So first thing you need to do is go to the Crypto.com exchange and then log in your account. After that, you just have to click on this trade option, and from this three options you have to click on this spot. And once you open up this trade spot page, you need to go to the right side of your screen, and here you will find this order form, and here you just have to enable this margin trading option. And if you are enabling this option for first time, you will ask to be accept some terms and conditions, so you have to read through that terms and condition and agree to them. Now you also have to know some key terms. For example, your wallet balance is equal to your total cash or your total asset plus your cash or plus crypto, and available margin is how much you can use to open new margin trades. An effective leverage is ratio of your position size versus your cash. For example, $1,000 in your account and $2,000 in position is equal to 2x leverage, and if you add another 1,000, it's back to the one leverage. And there is also wallet health, shows how close you are to the margin call. A warning for liquidations, automatically sell to cover your losses. So if your losses grow, Crypto.com will send a margin call alert when your buffer drops 20% from your loan value, and liquidate your positions if your wallet balance drop below your loan to prevent going into debt. Now let me show you how you can use this leverage option while you are trading. So once you are on this spot trading page, you just have to focus on this order form section, and here you can simply click on this 3x or whatever is showing on your account to change the leverage cap. So by default it is set to the 3, but you can change it to 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x or 20x. So select the leverage, account leverage according to you, and then click on confirm. And then you can simply change the order type from here and then enter the price. And you can also use this slider bar to choose how much you want to borrow. So if you are trading under your wallet balance, you will know need to have leverage. If you are trading above your wallet balance, it will use this margin. So enter all of these details and then simply click on this buy button. And if your trade balance is above your wallet balance, it will use remaining balance from your margin account. And you can also see the how much it has used your margin in this wallet details section at the bottom of the order form section. So here you can see that how much it has used and what is available for you to use. So that is how you can use the margin or leverage on Crypto.com exchange. Now next step is managing your loan. So you can reduce your leverage by paying off the loan, depositing USDT or selling your crypto. You can also sell the part of your position which automatically pay back the borrowed amount. You can also pay back with deposits such as bank deposit, crypto wallets or other exchange, or profits from your trade. So that is how you can use the leverage on Crypto.com exchange. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.